Hi, welcome to another edition of Moms on the Go Cooking in the Kitchen. So today we are piggybacking off of our previous recipe where we had, what was it? Josh, help me. Ribs. We had rib nachos. So we're going to do smoked fish nachos. So we have our fish that's previously smoked by Smoked Salmon Barbecue of Houston, Texas. And we're gonna heat the fish up, and then we're gonna show you how we make the nachos. So right now we have our chips, we have our sauce, we have our organic pepper jack cheese, and then we have a little bit of regular cheese, and then we also have some jalapeno peppers. So right now what I'm gonna start doing is heating up the fish, the salmon. It's going to be salmon nachos. So I'm going to heat that up, and then we're going to show you what else we're going to do. Got it? Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so we're back, and we heated up the fish, the salmon, a little bit. And again, this is smoked salmon that was pre-smoked yesterday. So we're doing a leftover type meal. So what we're going to do is take our chips. They're on the border. And we're going to put them in the bottom of our plate. I'm making a little plate for my daughter also. So I'm just going to do that one on the side. And this one's for me, just a little bit. Uh-oh. The doggy down there is eating it. She got a whole chip. Okay. That's enough for her.
Mm-hmm.
She got a whole chip. I forget that I'm over here. You know, thinking about honey and her chip.
She's going to town.
Okay, so we have the I broke my chips up a little bit so I can eat them kind of in little bite-sized pieces. And I make sure that I get all of them. So I spread them along my plate. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the fish and just put a little bit, just sprinkle it. So I kind of chopped it up a little bit here. It breaks up really easy because Smoking Jaws cooked it very tender. So I'm just going to break it up here. Put a little bit on each one of the chips. Boy, fish tacos, that sounds good. If you're a vegetarian, this will be a really good meal for you. Really quick little meal. My dog is waiting for some more stuff down there, but she's not going to get it if I can help it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here. Put a little bit here. Okay. A little bit here. How's that look?
Mm-hmm.
That look okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we have our fish. We want to make sure we get a good little amount on here. Okay. So then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the mild cheddar cheese. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that. Not very much, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take the organic pepper jack cheese and I'm going to put this on top. Okay, just kind of lay them out so each one of the chips kind of get a little bit of goodness. Like that, bam. Okay. Uh-oh, somebody must be driving up or something, so her dog is flipping out. Okay, so I think that might be good here. What do y'all think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you holding up there, Josh?
Mm-hmm.
My cameraman over here. Okay, so then what am I going to do next? The sauce. We're going to put a little bit of sauce on top. So See, just drizzle that goodness on top. Just drizzle that goodness on top. There we go. Just make sure it's good and spread evenly on here. Okay. Think that's good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. I think that looks good. And then I'm going to take some jalapeno peppers. Make sure we get a clean fork. And we're going to put a few little jalapeno peppers on there. Uh-oh. Oh well. Be okay. Just better watch what I'm doing so I don't get it. Don't touch this. We don't want a lot. We just want a little bit. Just kind of give a little extra flavor. And then after we're done with this, we're going to take our finished product and we're going to put it in the microwave and heat it up a little bit. And then we're going to do like Josh did, and we're going to do a little taste test for you really fast. Let's, bam, throw another little piece of fish on there. Bam. Okay, so this is what we have so far. This is our salmon nachos, smoked barbecue salmon nachos. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the microwave, and then we're going to come back and show you guys exactly what we're working with. Okay, so we put these in the microwave for maybe like a minute or a minute and a half, depending on your microwave, just to melt the cheese a little bit. So of course, like Josh said in his previous video, it wouldn't be a taste test, or wouldn't be a recipe unless we taste it. So let's get a piece of jalapeno pepper on here. We got a little piece of fish, so here we go. Oh my God. This is so good. Salmon, grilled salmon or smoked salmon barbecue nachos. This is fabulous. I know you guys may not be able to have Smoking Jaws barbecue, but you can make it work. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our video, and we thank you for watching. God bless.